Hello everybody, and in this video we're going to be talking about the soft body physics settings over here on the right. So we have three different main ones: friction, speed, and mass. This first one is friction, which is just the friction of the object to collision objects. So you can see in the animation on screen that the different values have different results. You can see 50 is going quite a bit slower than 0. The next setting that we'll talk about is speed. This is just the speed of the simulation. So currently it's set to 1, which is just the default setting. If I play this, you'll see exactly what it looks like. Now, if I turn this up to a value of 3, you can see that it goes a lot faster, just like that. So that is just the speed. You can also slow this down. So let's go with a value of 0.5, so it will go half the speed. If I play this, you can see it's going quite a bit slower. It's like it's in slow motion. The next one that we have is mass, and this is the general mass of the entire object. Currently it's set to 1, but if you turn this up very high, like 50, you can see, actually let's set the speed to 1 so it'll go the same. We'll restart this and play it. You can see since the mass weighs so much more, it's just crushing the soft body and it's going all weird and it's kind of messing up. So let's play that one more time. There we go. Let's change this to a value of 5. So it weighs 10 times less, and you can see the result there. Then underneath we have the mass vertex group. This allows you to create a vertex group for the mass. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go to layer 2, and I'm going to restart the animation and right click on this. So I've created a group already, and you'll be able to see it if I go into weight paint mode. So you can see the different colors right here. Blue just weighs a lot less, and red is just the complete weight, which is currently set to 1. If I set this to 3, this right side will weigh 3, and then whatever percentage over here, that will be the percent. So if I come over to the vertex groups, you can see there's a vertex group assigned. And if I go into edit mode, you can see that over here on the left, the selected vertices has a weight of 0.2. So it's 20% of 3. So let's play this, and you'll see that the right side of the cube actually leans to the right a little bit. So let's go into front view and play this. It's kind of hard to see, but as you can see there, it kind of moved to the right. We'll play that one more time, and we'll stop it right there. And as you can see, this side is a little further down than the left. So this allows you to create different weights for different parts of your object. That can be useful in certain situations. The last setting that we'll talk about in this video is the collision groups. This allows you to select certain objects for the soft body to interact with. So currently, both of these planes have a collision object applied to it. So if I play it, you can see it just interacts with this first plane and hits it. It doesn't go through it, it just stops right there. But if I select this bottom plane and then hit Ctrl G, that will add a group to this object. Then I right click on our cube. On the collision groups, I select group. Now it will only interact with the collision objects in this specific group. If I play this, you can see it goes right through the plane and hits the plane underneath. There you go. This can be very useful if you want certain soft bodies to interact with certain objects, but you want others to not interact with them.